MrBeast and many other creators on YouTube put hours of effort and spend hundred and even thousands of dollars only for their thumbnails. But the thing is, how we can create the same thumbnail like MrBeast and all of these creators? We don't have enough money to spend, and we don't have enough time to spend just on a thumbnail. Like on an interview, MrBeast tells that he spent $10,000 to $15,000 just on one thumbnail.
Can you tell them what you invest per thumbnail?
Yeah, we'll probably spend around $5,000 to $10,000 a thumbnail, just making sure we get the right image and it's good. Because like the thumbnail makes a difference between 50 million views or 200 million. So
and how many thumbnails per episode or per video?
Around 3.
But what happened if I say that I recreated the same thumbnails of MrBeast? Can you guess how much time it takes? In reality, to create these thumbnails, this hardly takes 3 to 5 minutes. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to divide this video in 4 simple steps. So don't miss out any one of them because all of these are important. So without taking much of your time, let's start the video. In the first step, we will download and save the thumbnail in our device. You can either take the screenshot or just download it from Google. And remember one more thing, you can do the same on your mobile phone as well. So don't be worried, okay? So now let's go to the second step. In the second step, we will convert this thumbnail into prompts. So for doing this, you have to go to any chatbot like Gemini, Copilot, and even ChatGPT. And the main reason of using ChatGPT is that you can upload more than 2 to 3 images per day just for free, as compared to Copilot, which pixelates the result. I don't know why Copilot doing this, and Gemini has its own issues going on which I don't want to talk about. So now come to ChatGPT and then upload your image here. After that, write this line, describe this image in detail and point-wise, and then click on upload. After that, ChatGPT will analyze your image properly and then give you a proper prompt in point-wise. And this is the main thing that you need to recreate your thumbnail. So now let's move on to our third step. In the third step, we will convert this prompt into any image or a thumbnail. There are many websites on the internet that can convert your image prompts into a proper image or a thumbnail. But after a lot of research and many sources, I find out the perfect website which is completely free, and apart from that, you can get a lot of creations from it, and it is also highly detailed. So this is the website. As soon as you reach this website, the first thing you have to do is to sign up or log in. If you already have an account on it, simply go and click on image creation. Then paste your prompt here, select the 16:9 ratio, and then click on this image plus icon. Click on image to image and then upload your inspiration thumbnail here, and then just click on generate. After a decade ago, this happens. Not a bad, but this is some cartoonic style. We need to change the style in this. So you just have to change the preset style here. And after changing again and again, I got some good results. But it's depend on your thumbnail style as well. So you just need to choose the right one style here. So I like this one among all of them. We created the prompt, we created thumbnail, and everything we done. So what's going to be done in the final step? So in the fourth and the last one step, we will just upscale our thumbnail, because using all of these tools, our thumbnail quality become worse. So there are a bunch of websites available online from where you can upscale your image for free. You can use any website to upscale and the results are in front of you. So now our thumbnail is ready to upload. And if you want to create a specific thumbnail for yourself instead of using this method, then let me know in the comment section. So that's the end of our video. And if you want to make a good income with the help of an YouTube automation channel, then you have to click on that one video. I will meet you there. Bye bye.